So it's that time again when the Mavericks' medal prediction skills will be put to the test heading into the Tokyo World Championships. So here we go, starting with the men. I have gold in the men's 100 meters for Kishane Thompson. In the same event, bronze for Oblique Seville. For the women now, I have bronze for Tina Clayton in the women's 100. Silver in the women's 200 for Sharika Jackson. Silver in the women's sprint hurdles for Akira Nugent. Silver in the women's triple jump for Shanika Ricketts. Plus silver in the women's 4x1. Bronze in the women's 4x4. Plus gold in the men's 4x1. So all things included and considered, conservatively, that is 2 gold, 4 silver, and 2 bronze for a grand total of 8 medals for Jamaica at the World Championships in Tokyo. Of course, it could be more or it could be less, depending on how much Jamaica bless.